In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shipping charges in WooCommerce. Now, the first thing you want to do, once you're inside WooCommerce, just hover over the WooCommerce button over here on the left and click on Settings. Once you are inside Settings, you want to click on Shipping, which should be the third tab up top over here. And then the first thing you want to do is basically add a zone. So the way you can do this is you have to click on Add Zone up here. And then you can go ahead and first enter in the zone name. So for example, you can do like worldwide, Europe, United States, or a specific country. So that's up to you. I'm going to do Europe over here. There we go. And then here, zone regions, I'm going to do everywhere. But of course, you can go ahead and start typing to filter zones. So this is completely up to you. I'm not going to do this right now just for the sake of this video, but you can do that, of course, for your instance. Here, you then want to click on Add Shipping Method. And then you have two options. Either you have free shipping or flat rate. So if you want to add shipping charges, you can click on flat rate and then press continue. And after you do that, it's going to give you an option to set your tax status. So taxable or none. I'm going to do none. And then the cost over here, I'm going to put, let's say 10 USD. Okay. This is going to be the shipping cost. And of course you can add more shipping class costs if you want to. And then you can click on create and save. And this has now been created, and you can enable or disable it whatever you want. Now, of course, you can add a separate one over here, for example, for free shipping, and you can go ahead and inside the free shipping, you can also make a requirement that it has to be like a minimum order amount. It has to be either a minimum order or coupon, or minimum order and coupon. So we have a bunch of different options. You can set that too. For example, minimum order, let's say 50 USD. You can buy that and get free shipping, and then I'm going to do create and save. And this one will be saved as well. So this is how you add shipping charges in WooCommerce. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.